Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can transfer your photos from your iPhone to your computer or laptop. So there's two methods that we can use to achieve this. The first one is by using a USB cable and connecting that from our phone to our computer, and the second method involves using the iCloud. So I'll walk you through both of these methods, starting with using a cable. So what you first need to do is connect your iPhone to your computer using either a USB cable or a USB-C cable, depending on the connection and what iPhone you have. So once you have a cable running from your iPhone to your computer, then what will happen is you'll get a message pop up either on your computer or your iPhone with a message saying allow this device to access photos and videos. So when you get this message pop up, it's very important that you select allow, as this is what's going to allow us to access our photos and transfer them over to our laptop. So once we've pressed allow on our iPhone, you'll then need to enter your iPhone passkey and leave it unlocked on the home screen while we complete this process. So now that we've allowed access from our iPhone, what we need to do on our computer is head over to the start menu and just search for photos. Then head over to the photos application, and this is a built-in Windows tool that's going to allow us to import photos over from our iPhone. So what you need to do is select import at the top here, and then select Apple iPhone. Now you'll need to wait a few minutes while all of these photos import onto your computer, and then once all of our photos are imported inside of here, then we can individually select which photos we need to be imported to our PC. Now we can either do this on an individual photo basis if there's just a few photos that we want to import, or we can just go ahead and press the select all button at the top here, and this is going to select all of the photos on our iPhone. We then just need to press this add item button at the top here, and you'll need to select where you want these photos saved to on your computer. I'm happy with this to be saved in my pictures folder, but you can always come over to create folder here and create a separate folder for these iPhone photos. Once you've selected your folder, we just need to go ahead and press import, and now you've successfully transferred your photos over from your iPhone to your computer. So we can also do this as well without actually using a cable, and the way we do this is by using the official Apple iCloud website. So just head over to an internet browser, and you'll need to come over to the website icloud.com/photos. Then you'll need to sign in with your iCloud account, and that will be the same one that you're logged into on your iPhone. Once again, you'll get a security message pop up on your iPhone, so you just need to press trust to give access to your computer, and you'll also be presented with a verification code that will be sent to your device. So once you've entered your verification code, you'll be presented with this window where you can either trust this browser so that the next time that you log in, you'll no longer need to enter your verification code. I'm just going to select trust, and now as you can see inside of here we have access to all of our photos. Now to download a photo, it's very simple. We're just going to select the photo we want to download and then just come over to this download button in the top right hand side here, and as you can see that's now downloaded to my computer. Now if you wanted to select more than one photo at once, all we'd need to do is hold the left mouse click button and drag over the photos that we want to select, and once again just press the download button at the top here. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you transfer photos from your iPhone over to your computer. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.